So far, my impression of the assembly has been that it's been such a warm and welcoming environment to start to learn more about brand outside of my own company and within the rest of the world that we're talking about and all the other companies that are represented within One North and Texas teams. With the pandemic, it's been a bit since I've been to a conference, but it's been very close-knit and we've had really great conversations that have been very organic. So it's felt less like your traditional conference, a little bit more like just getting to know other people and really just having down-to-earth conversations about the work we do and why we do it. Sundance Resort is absolutely gorgeous. It's a fantastic place. It's been really wonderful getting to just kind of walk around, be around nature, but still being able to focus on what we're talking about for the conference, but also being able to take those breaks and really enjoy just the mindfulness and the empty space that we have to think and be a little bit freer in the conversations we have. It's been absolutely fantastic. I took away a ton of nuggets of information just around brand strategy and the way that we're looking towards the future with AI and technology as a whole. For me, this has been a really great experience of getting to understand the offerings of One North and ways that we potentially can partner together in the future. There's a lot of things I wasn't aware that One North had in their package of services. And again, just getting to know people individually, it's been really interesting to see the bar of talent that's available from One North. So I'm excited to see where we can go in the future.